two data sets of 23 integers are summarized in the histogram shown. For each of the histogram, the first interval represents the frequency of integers greater than or equal to 10 but less than 20. So this bar, first bar right here, is going to be a number that is greater than 10 but less than 20, and that's how many there are. In this case, it would be 3. And the second interval represents the frequency of integers greater than or equal to 20 but less than 30, same thing, and so on. So what is the smallest possible difference between the mean of data set A and the mean of data set B? So that was a mouthful, but let's break down exactly what you need to know for this question. So what we're comparing is we're comparing the mean of data set A and the mean of data set B. And if you think about it, let's say there's a number line. This is like a small number and this is like a really big number. And let's say the mean of the data set A is located here and B is located right there. If that's the case, they have a pretty big of a distance, right? But what we're looking for is the smallest possible distance between the two averages. So we want A and B to be as closest to each other as possible. But the hard part is, how can we make them as closest to each other as possible? Well, that's where understanding this histogram comes into play. So if we look at this histogram